sun. Kick off your shoes and have some fun. Get ready, get set, let's go. If we never go, we'll never know. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. I won't let this moment.
Baby Calix, lagi kong pagpipray na lumaki kang malusog at mabuting bata. Lagi ako nandito, isi-celebrate natin lahat ng mga milestones sa buhay mo.
Hey, there's electricity in the air, so come join the party if you dare. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. You and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high.
Calix, naway lumaki kang mabait, matatag sa pananampalataya at laging napapaligiran ng pagmamahal.
Happy birthday and welcome to the Christian world.
Won't let this moment pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by.
You deserve all the happiness in the world, Calix. Happy birthday!
In a world of endless wonder, where the wild wind blows, every path here before us is a story.
Happy birthday, Calix! We love you!
Happy birthday, Calix!
We love you!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Calix! More birthdays to come!
Hi, Calix! Our baby love. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki siyang mabuting bata. He doesn't need to be great, but he needs to be kind and good. So, sana lumaki siyang mabuting tao.
That's a new beginning, so come what may.
We wish you all the best as you grow old. We love you.
We wish you all the best as you grow old. Hoping na maging healthy, smart, at mabait kang bata or matanda paglaki mo. We love you, Calix.
Susunod kay mommy at daddy, wag pasaway.
Lagi nakasmile.
Yes.
We love you.
Love
Happy
you,
birthday.
Calix. Happy birthday.
I-enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Laki mo, makikita mo tong birthday mo na
Sa ngayon, hindi mo pa siya matatandaan. Pero I hope na pagdating ng araw, makita mo na we try to give our best for you para as memory at magkaroon ka ng magandang childhood.